Want to turn off closed captions on the Spectrum TV app? It's easy. First, start playing the content you're watching. Then, press the menu button on your device's remote. This might look like an asterisk on Roku or an options button on Fire TV. Look for the CC or subtitles icon, which usually resembles a speech bubble with lines. Select it and toggle it off. For a more permanent solution, go to the app's settings, then accessibility, and finally, close captions. Here you can select off to disable captions globally. If you run into any issues, try restarting the app or checking for updates in your device's app store. Closed captions are designed for accessibility, including non-dialogue elements like sound effects and speaker identification. Subtitles are typically translations without these extras. The Spectrum TV app manages them similarly in settings. Note that your closed caption preferences are stored in the app's profile, not on your device's operating system, and apply to on-demand, live, and DVR content. In the app's accessibility hub found in Settings, you can customize font size, color, and style. The app now uses AI to generate real-time captions, which are generally accurate but may sometimes lag when disabling. For voice control, try commands like Alexa, turn off captions on Spectrum if you have a compatible device.